After brainstorming a few ideas, my group decided to choose architecture as our topic. The requirement needs us to come up with an idea to solve a current existing problem. After discussing with my group members, we decided to focus on sustainable architecture. I started doing research on green architecture. I'm really into the steel house in Southeast Asia. They normally are made of bamboo or wood, and the base is empty so that the wind can go through from the bottom. My design is based on the same concept, adding a slanted roof for the water to go through so it could be easily collected. I choose big window to increase the lighting. I have also designed a windmill to help create power. The other half of the building has solid walls to keep warm so that it's comfortable for people to stay. I proceed in fusion once the sketches are done and started to come out great ideas on all kinds of details, like making a skylight and a ladder which connect to the roof for people to plant flowers and grass. And the water can go into the hole and watering the flower bed under the skylight. I decided to do a slide door function triggered by the door hinge. I have another rotator door on the bottom of the building. To make sure the windmill and the door can move smoothly, I adjust the dimension following by Keith's suggestion. The windmill apply a 0.5 mm tolerance, as well as cutting down the entire model piece by piece. There are some back and forth adjustments during communication with Keith, like printing my fence separately as they are too thin. Some of the dot parts are too small, causing its shape distorted. I resend Keith the incorrect file and wait for the printing.